In this video, I'm going to take a trip down memory lane and discuss a project with the most versatile blockchain in existence. If that sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned. Welcome back, Crypto Fiends. Thank you as always for tuning in. If you haven't already heard, the next giveaway that will be taking place on the Crypto Fiend YouTube channel will be lasting for the next 30 weeks. And every single Saturday, I will be picking 2 subscribers to receive $100 each in Bitcoin, and we've already had 4 lucky winners. And all you have to do to make sure you're entered in for your chance to win is be subscribed to the Crypto Fiend YouTube channel, leave a like on the video and a comment on the video, and you, my friend, are entered on in. So what is the project I am referring to? Well, that's going to be NRG, the cryptocurrency for world consciousness. Do know this video is sponsored by NRG themselves, and if you do find this video informative, I encourage you to do further research before making any financial decisions. If you guys remember, about a year ago, we dove deep into what NRG is all about. But since then, NRG has grown drastically throughout their community, development, and products. The main focal point as to what NRG is all about are the 4 pillars, that being Ethereum compatible smart contracts, on-chain governance, self-funding treasury, and a powerful layer 2 masternode network. But for this video, I want to home in on their newest product from the smart contract pillar, which is an absolute game changer as to how we utilize decentralized finance. Their most recent DeFi addition being Energiswap, with the code being sourced from Uniswap. This provides a similar experience but allows the team to enhance Energiswap with their security features, such as Energy Bureau of Investigations or EBI, which serves to protect the community from hackers, scammers, and other nefarious actors in the space. They also offer 24/7 support and have fast transaction times and cheap fees, since they are running on their own blockchain. With millions in liquidity and over 180 trading pairs with new ones being added every day, Energiswap is a serious contender in the DeFi space. Let's take a look as to how anyone can seamlessly utilize Energiswap. So from energy.world, go to the DeFi tab and hit on Energiswap. This will bring up the main user interface. As you guys can see, it's very similar to what you would see on Uniswap. Again, they did source the code from Uniswap, but they added some features like higher security, as well as they're able to use their own blockchain, which gives you those low and fast transactions and fees. So right there, you could see we could hit on MetaMask like you normally would with Uniswap. Pretty much if you've ever used Uniswap, this is going to be a very similar layout. The one thing we're going to have to do different is add the Energy mainnet. So this can be a little bit tedious, but once you get it done once, you'll be set to go for future occasions. So go ahead, hit your account and hit the settings tab under MetaMask, and then scroll down to networks. This is where you're going to be adding the Energy network. Once you hit on that, as you guys can see, I have already added the Energy mainnet, but I'm going to be showing you where you can get the information to plug in yourself. So go ahead and hit add, and then we have to get all this information to plug in order to get access to the Energy mainnet for the MetaMask wallet. So go ahead and head back and go under the additional resources tab and head over to the help desk on energy.world. Under this tab, you're going to want to go to Energiswap right here. And then go ahead and select how to use Energiswap on mainnet. Now, once you scroll down through all these steps, you can see the information needed to add in to your MetaMask under 1.1.4.4. As you guys can see, this is all the information. You just need to simply copy and paste all of these sections into your MetaMask. And if you guys want to follow the other steps above, you can, but it's not really necessary. So go back to settings under MetaMask, scroll down, hit on networks, go to add network, and then you're going to copy and paste each one of these into the proper section: network name, new RPC, chain ID, and symbol. And block explorer is optional. So go ahead, I already added it so I can't save it again, but go ahead and hit save, and then you're all set. So now you can utilize Energiswap from your MetaMask wallet and take advantage of all the perks that Energiswap has to offer. Simply connect the wallet that you wish to use, and you are all set. And remember, guys, they have 180 trading pairs right now, and they're adding new ones every single day. So go ahead and check out which ones are on there. Of course, you have Cardano, which is really cool. They have some cross-chain capabilities on NRG. So as you guys can see, simple user interface, just like Uniswap. But again, we get super cheap fees compared to Uniswap because we're not on the Ethereum blockchain, and the transactions process rather quickly. So once you hit confirm, as you can see, this window pops up here like it normally would. Go ahead and hit confirm, and you are all set. In the top right, you can see the transaction is pending, and then once that's completed, your funds will appear in your wallet on the Energy network. There you go, all set. So what are your thoughts on Energiswap? Is this something you could see yourself using as an alternative to Uniswap? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you want to hear more in detail about Energy's other pillars and products, I will leave the in-depth review I did on them in the description below. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.